Okay, content, right? In just a couple days, I'm going to be heading to Colorado to do some riding. To get ready, we're putting on a fresh meat. About to take this front wheel off. This is still the factory wheel that I originally bought with the bike. Got 2,800 miles on it. Still has pretty fair tread. I don't want to have to deal with my front end washing out, so we're going to put this freshie on. Check out that difference. Let's get them thrown in the truck. Head that way.
Same ones that I'm riding with gonna be here when I die. Short days, long nights, I don't know where I'm going. Top back with me.
Needed both these fuel pump parts here because I've got this gap in my new fuel tank and it'll leak fuel out of here. Basically, those will get rid of the gap in between my fuel pump so I can fit a larger tank. Let's get this swapped. I'm gonna get my oil changed.
Where I'm going, top back with me rolling, make.
It is 6:57 in the morning. Got the bike loaded and I am heading to work. As soon as I get off work, I'm gonna be heading to Colorado. Got my air mattress still loaded up. Got a few of my things. Let's get it. It's getting close to that time. And just like that, my work day is over. I'm currently heading home. Gonna take a shower, grab the last of the stuff that I need, and then I'm gonna be on the road overnight.
Yeah, man, be born. Been spinning like I'm dying, cause I'll make it back in the morning.
Got the bike loaded down, truck's loaded down. I probably got 100 pounds of tools and gear in here. And then I've got my air mattress set up. I'm gonna sleep in my truck tonight. As you can see, I've got 444 miles to my next turn. I got 7.5 hours before I plan to sleep. This is gonna take me to Colorado Springs. A few hours into driving, about 2 hours, I guess. Truck's doing well. Getting about 18 miles a gallon. Can't complain with that. Got my new tank on my bike. I'm gonna go over all my gear. It may be in this episode. It may be next episode.
Y'all better see me, up on the TV, go ahead and feed me, pulling up in that ghost.
Oh, girl, looking good. Bike's looking good. Check out that tank. Bike literally looks like a tank right now.
Hey, I'm driving that whip.
Today is Thursday. Early Friday, I'm gonna ride Rampart Range. I've never been there. This is so dope. I've never really even seen videos of it. I keep hearing it's cool and something that I need to check out while I'm over this way. In the afternoon, I will be going to Denver and ride some streets with one of my boys over there. Saturday night, I'm gonna be driving to Southwest Colorado. That's about it. It's gonna be more of a vlog style, and I'm talking to future Corey here. We'll see what happens. That's the idea anyway. Hopefully it came out that way. I'm gonna get a few more miles down the road. I'm excited. I can't wait to be in Colorado. I can't wait for the view to be different.
Go ahead and feed me, pulling up in that ghost. Hey, I'm driving that whip. Dreamed of this since 21.5, mom, I'm about to get rich, yeah. About to go off on my own mind.
Nothing exciting going on here. A few more hours of this, we'll be in Colorado, and the drive will at least get a little bit better.
It's 21.5, mom, I'm about to get.
I'm in a truck stop parking lot, about an hour and 15 minutes from Colorado Springs. I am going to get my bed ready. I gotta move some of this stuff up here into the front seat as I'm jumping to the back seat. And I've got this programmer. I'm gonna try to turn my idle down because I'm in between a bunch of people and I've got a straight pipe Timmy. Sure, there's gonna be a few times through the night that I gotta start up my truck. Gonna try not to piss these people off. I'm gonna try to turn down my idle. That way I can keep the battery charging a little bit too. Boom, just like that. Oh, hey, didn't see you there. So yeah, this is how I slept last night. Got my air mattress set up back here. I had to have a fan. Kicked that on a few times. Luckily I got a 3-prong outlet up there. Up until the sun came out, it wasn't bright in here, but within the last like half hour, I woke up and now I'm wide awake. I head an hour west, Colorado Springs. Let's go.
Yeah. Gotta go off on my own mind. Gotta go off on my own mind. Gotta go off on my.
I must be getting close. I'm on a gravel road now. Still shows a half hour on my GPS. Hopefully it ain't a half hour of gravel road. Just waiting on Cody to send me a location. Then I'm gonna unload and rip. But man, the KTM is looking good. I cannot wait to shred Colorado. I'm seeing all these side roads and there's a lot of trails that branch off down here. Check out this view. I am up here. Can't really tell. I am totally up here, taking my truck to the trails. Did not know it. Did not know it at all. I just talked to Cody on the phone and he is off the highway where I should be, but I'm already up and now it's closer for me to take the trails to get over to him. Yeah, there is some people up here, so I gotta be careful rounding these corners, but we'll be getting there. I don't mind this at all. This is actually pretty cool.
Same ones that I'm riding with, gonna be here when I die. Ex bout to see me everywhere, I can't even help it. My bench girls, your men girls, I had them all, then I shelved them. Up when it rise, play my demise. Up in the flight, stay on the grind. Flex when I got it, I live in the limelight.
Man, I just got out, and I have these shoes on, right? And I just stubbed my toe on a cactus. Look at this. Ah, that hurt. Who knew there was cacti? Who knew there was cacti in Colorado? What the hell? I was not prepared.
Wanna call me whoa, I wanna sound like whoa. Y'all say the same I grow. This be the life I chose. Pulling up in that ghost.
We are out here. Casually a sheriff. We are in Colorado, and I am riding. My God, this is awesome. I lost Cody already. There he is.
I driving that whip, dream of this since 21.5, mom, I'm about to get rich.
Today I'm riding the Rampart range, and I'm here with my boy Cody. This shit's about to be wild. He's kind of skeptical. He's not too big on dirt, and he's out here on his stunted out supermoto, so we'll see how this goes for the both of us. Man, my boy Cody here shows up on a fully stunted out supermoto with street tires. No gas. Boy, what you doing? He's gonna go ask somebody over here if they got gas, and he'll send them like 20 bucks. So, you might be wondering, does this mean that Cody is not going to be able to ride? Is he even going to survive Rampart range? I hate to do it to you, but in order to keep these videos in the same sequence of the days that they happened in, you're going to have to find out next time. I know the video just got into the riding section, things were going good, until Cody ran out of gas. It's Cody's fault. Blame him. For real though, I just want to keep these videos as a day-by-day series. On this one, I ran it a little bit over into the next day just to make it work. But obviously, this is just the start of the day. In the next one, I'll be riding Rampart Range and hitting streets later in the evening. And that is also a little bit of the footage that I'm showing you right now. In between the both of those, if I would have added it into this one, the video just would have been too long, and I want to make sure to get more details into the next one, so this just makes more sense. Sorry, but I'm gonna have to do it that way. Thank you for watching. Stay twisting grips. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.
Gotta go off on my own mind. Gotta go off on my own mind. Gotta go off on my own mind. Same ones that I'm riding with, gonna be here when I die, yeah.